Dear ninth class students, today I am teaching physics important lesson. It is motion. In physics there are two states. In chemistry there are three states. In chemistry, solid, liquid, gas, they are the three states. In physics there are two states. One is motion state, other one is rest state. First, motion. What is the definition of motion is if the object changing its position with respect to surroundings, then it is said to be in motion. Once again, motion means if the object is changing its position with respect to surroundings, then it is said to be in motion. Now, what is rest? Just opposite of this. If the object is not changing its position with respect to surroundings, then it is said to be in rest. If the object not changing its position with respect to surroundings, then it is said to be in rest. Okay. Now distance. Distance means total path. Total path is known as distance. Unit is meter. Another quantity, displacement. Displacement is shortest path between initial and final points. Distance between shortest path between initial and final points is displacement. See example, let this is A, reach to B, reach to C and back to D. This is 10 meters, this is 5 meters. Then distance is total path 10 plus 5 plus 10, it is 25 meter. Displacement is from A to D shortest path, this one, which is only 5 meters. Okay. Now what is the difference between distance and displacement? We can write this is total path, this is shortest path. Another point, distance is having only magnitude. Displacement having both magnitude and direction also. Therefore, only magnitude means it is a scalar quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. That means scalar means only magnitude, that is value. Vector means value plus direction. Distance cannot be 0. This one can be 0 also. Distance cannot be negative. Displacement can be negative also. Understand? These are the 5 differences between distance and displacement. Okay. Now speed. What is speed is? It is nothing but rate of distance. That means distance by time. Distance by time is named as speed. Unit is meter per second. Speed unit is meter per second. Now what is velocity? Velocity is just rate of displacement. Rate of displacement. Speed is rate of distance. This is rate of displacement. That means displacement by time. Formula velocity is equal to displacement by time. Unit velocity is same, meter per second only. Now what are the differences is, I will give you in a tabular form same differences. What is there for distance and displacement? It will come for speed and velocity. First point, speed is distance by time. Velocity is displacement by time. This speed is having only magnitude. This one having magnitude and direction. Magnitude and direction. Therefore, speed is a scalar quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Speed cannot be zero. Here, velocity can be zero. Speed cannot be negative. Velocity can be negative also. Therefore, same differences what is coming in distance and displacement coming in speed and velocity also. Okay. Now, when displacement is equal to distance or speed is equal to velocity, if displacement is equal to distance, then speed is equal to velocity. When it is possible is if no change in direction. If no change in direction. That means suppose a body started from A, reached to B without any change in direction. Suppose this is 20 meters. Then distance is equal to 20. Displacement also 20. Okay. When there is no change in direction, speed is equal to velocity also. In other cases, always distance is always greater than or equal to displacement. Distance is always either greater than displacement or equal to displacement. Okay. Now, average velocity, that is nothing but total displacement by total time. Average velocity is nothing but total displacement by total time. Now, another physical quantity, acceleration. Acceleration definition is change in velocity by time. Change in velocity by time. Acceleration formula is velocity if change v minus u by time is t. If u is initial velocity, v is final velocity, v minus u is change in velocity, t is time. Then formula is a is equal to v minus u by t. Units of acceleration is meter per second square. Meter per second square. Now, retardation. If suppose final velocity less than initial velocity, then v minus u becomes negative. Such case, acceleration becomes negative. That negative acceleration is named as retardation. Units same, meter per second square only. Retardation also unit is meter per second square only. Okay. I am having 25 years experience in teaching physics. I hope my demo you understand very well. To get sure success and to enjoy the subject, please purchase the course or contact me by phone number to join in live classes. Okay, thank you.